Welcome to the iPMart video, where we will walk through how to upload data to iPMart. First, we will cover how to create a multi-omics project. First, click iPMart, then select Build Multi-omics Project. From here, we need to select an object type. The object type can be an omic project or a PMart midpoint. Next, select at least two omics projects or midpoints. Here we will select lipidomics, proteomics, and metabolomics projects, all with data generated from the same study. In order to link the data together, you may upload a file that correlates all sample information together. This file must contain sample names corresponding between the different omics projects and groupings for comparison. After selecting this file, we will click Create Multi-omics Project. Note that this file is optional. Now the project is created and can be uploaded to iPMart. iPMart again and select our project in the drop-down menu, then hit Launch App. Let's dismiss this pop-up. On the left-hand side, we will see an Upload tab with a red exclamation symbol. This means we have information to fill out before moving on to the next tab. This information tends to be selecting biomolecule identifiers, data scales, whether the data has been normalized, and denoting missing data. For more details, see the Upload PMART video. The link is in the video description. After completing each dataset, click Next Data Type to progress. Once all specifications have been properly made, a pop-up indicating the upload process is complete shows. If we want to double-check or change our inputs, we would click Stay on this tab, but since we are ready to move on, we will click Progress tab. Here we get a chance to view some summary statistics and generate plots of our data, including box plots, heat maps, missing value bar plots, and missing value histograms. Once we are done viewing these, we can click Confirm Selections. If you have labeled proteomics data or NMR data, you will have to conduct reference normalization in the Reference tab. See the link to the Reference tab video for PMART in the video description. Next, we will proceed to the Groups tab.